down here. She's having a little problem. She's feeling her back. I tried to give a little support here and work and palpate, and that was probably good. But I'm plantar flexed into the floor. I got some tension in my leg, so I'm going to kind of reach over and just step over her, relax her leg here, and I can still get all those hip flexors, everything I want to get in there, and I'm very, very calm, very easy, right? How we doing here? And then when I want to create movement, I found what I want to find. I don't want to grind, so I still use my hip and my knee to move that joint around. How we doing?
Great.
I'm focusing on her eyes, just making sure there's no stress in the face. It's a little bit more work than I like in the arm, but it's what works here. How we doing? Okay,
Yeah, it
so
feels like
does that work?
Yeah.
Okay, so it's a nice way, very easy on my body. Always trying to find the easiest way I can do the work so I'm not stressed out and I don't transfer that stress to my client.